In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva free illustrations and icons. Let's start right inside the Canva editor. Once you've opened a design, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar with different options like templates, uploads, and text. What you want to click on is the tab labeled Elements. This is where Canva keeps all of its graphics, including shapes, photos, icons, and illustrations. Think of Elements as your main library for visual assets that you can drag and drop into your design. After you click on Elements, you'll notice a search bar appear at the top of that panel. This search bar is how you'll find specific styles of icons and illustrations that match your project. Instead of scrolling endlessly, it's much faster to type in a keyword or phrase that describes what you're looking for. For example, if you're working on something related to work or finance, you can type business icons into the search bar. Canva will then show you a range of simple, usually flat style symbols like briefcases, charts, or money icons. If you're creating something for a school project, a lesson, or a course, try typing education illustration. This will pull up more detailed drawings such as books, students, or classroom scenes. If your project is focused on online content, you might search for social media icons. This is helpful when you need recognizable platform logos or symbols related to sharing and engagement. And if your design is related to wellness, fitness, or medical content, type in health illustration to see visuals like hearts, stethoscopes, people exercising, and more. You can use these example searches as a starting point, then refine your keywords based on the exact style or topic you need. Once the results appear, take a moment to browse through them. You'll see a mix of icons and illustrations. Icons are usually simpler and more minimal, while illustrations tend to be more detailed and decorative. You can hover over each item to get a closer look. When you find one that fits your design, simply click on it once. Canva will automatically place that icon or illustration onto your canvas. From there, you can resize it by dragging the corners, rotate it, or move it around to position it exactly where you want. You can also adjust colors on many of the graphics to match your brand or theme. And that's it. Click on Elements, search with clear keywords like the examples we covered, and then select the graphic you want to use in your design.